My name is Pingiwe Nkandu. In my personal prayer life, I would say that I've seen a lot of positive dividends that prayer has impacted in my life. And one of them that I'll talk about is the relationship that I've built with God. And this relationship, I didn't just build it like any other relationship. It is a relationship which is enriched in the Word of God. And every time I'm having I'm communicating with God through the Bible, I see God instantly there. Because as I read the Bible, it's like I'm talking to God. It's a two-way communication. I'm reading His Word. He's talking to me. As I pray, He's talking to me. I pray, I'm talking to Him. I read the Word, He's talking back to me. So His Word is a mirror to see my life. And whenever I'm going through a problem, when I just go to the Bible and start reading the Word, I don't even know how my prayer, how that problem goes away. It's like I see God instantly. By the time I'm praying about my problem, the problem has already been answered. And the reason why I enjoy personal prayer is because I'm free to express myself. There are certain situations that I feel uncomfortable to share. There are certain situations that I feel ashamed of myself. I'll talk about situations like when I come into terms with guilty, I come into terms with resentment, I come into terms with my past pain. So there are certain things that are just in my hidden area I can't disclose. But once I talk about it with God through His Word and through prayer, I get relieved. I always have peace of mind and inner joy.